Hey folks, old guy here. I finally found a bag of this Hatch 505 green chili chips. The ingredient says it's got onion, green bell peppers, and jalapeno, so I'm expecting it to be a little bit warm. Let's get it open. 120 calories for 11 chips. Trying to be careful here. I don't want it to explode all over. Not much of an aroma, really. Let's see here. Well, the chip, you can see it's got, I don't know if you can see that, it's got plenty of seasoning on it. Initially, I got kind of a, I guess, I don't know what to say other than a green flavor. Salty. Sometimes it'll take a minute for these chips for the flavor to come through. Well, I expected this to be in your face flavor like their jarred chili, but these are not. They're not that. I'm not really getting any heat. I'm not tasting any jalapeno. They're really not much different than a plain corn chip. How disappointing. 2 out of 10 old man grunts.